So we are going to the power plant, Hoover Dam. We tried the power plant tour this time. Calvin, don't stop it.
Dala ko yung gimbal mo, akala ko ikaw mag...
Okay lang. There's nothing there. There's something on the other side.
All right, everyone, come gather around. Now, for the new faces, my name is Chris. I'm going to be your tour guide. And using this map, we are going to learn how the Hoover Dam was constructed and how it continues to function to this day. Before the dam was created, the Colorado River rushed through Black Canyon untamed. So engineers devised a plan to harness the river for humanity's sake by building the dam to prevent the constant flooding further south, but also a reservoir for a reliable water source and for recreating, and finally for power production. The first step in this process, diverting the river through these 4 diversion tunnels, thus being located in this inner Nevada one. Now, it took just under 2 years to blast away all space for these tunnels, with each one being 50 feet in diameter and being lined with 3 feet of concrete. The next step in this process, getting the water to go into those tunnels. And that is where the upper coffer dam comes into play. This dam pulls the water into the diversion tunnels and out further south past the dam's north site, with the lower coffer dam being built to prevent any of that water from backfilling the site itself. Once the site was drained, workers began clearing up to 135 feet of it. And all these areas in yellow have been sealed off, never to be used again. When you are coming down to the visitor center, you may have noticed 4 towers shutting out the lake from behind the dam. Those are intake towers, with 2 on the Nevada side and 2 on the Arizona side. Water from the lake flows to these towers into 30 feet of diameter pipes called penstocks, like the one you can see outside these windows. Sometimes you feel the water rushing through the pipe beneath your feet, and that is because each one of these pipes can have up to 180,000 gallons of water per second rushing through them. That is equivalent to filling a Olympic-sized swimming pool in less than 4 seconds. So the water rushes through those pipes, down in the smaller penstocks, where they head into the generators, where they're used and released out downstream. But to do that, they had to blast away that lower coffer dam. The upper coffer dam still existing under Lake Mead today. Now there is one other way the dam controls water, and that is through the spillways, with one being built on either side of the dam. Their purpose, preventing floodwaters from cresting over the dam. And because of that, they've only been used twice. Once in 1941 for testing, and once again in 1983.
There you go. I'll wait for him.
All right, everyone, so let's head on out. Everyone listening to the right, please. Everyone being to the right, so that the next door room has access down to the tunnel itself. Please. Moving into the back side. Down here, sea level, we're probably about 670.
Ayla, come here. Halika, Clara. Ayla.
Go.
Mama. David, mama.
Tol, ay ka lang dyan, Tol. Kasi may tumatry dumaan sa gilid. Okay, go.
Anyone along this railing here, you can come over to the alcove if you like as well. And you take a seat. Seats are available on the wall.
Dito. Dito tayo. Have a look. You see it?
You'll see a rust-colored object embedded in the ground surrounded by a metal fence. That is our Celtic water wheel, with one beam located in each end of the dam. They provide 2.4 megawatts of electricity, which is significantly less than commercial ones. That is because they provide power to only one place, the place we are currently located in. The pellets provide power to the entire dam complex. For things like lighting the lights above, running all this machinery, and even powering the elevators we use on this tour. With all that heavy machinery in use comes needed maintenance. So let's shift the focus from the floor to high above. If you have a look up at the ceiling, you'll see our two P&H bridge cranes, with one proudly displaying the American flag. The Arizona site shares a similar layout for these machines. These cranes travel along tracks around the length of the room, so they can remove rotors from our generators and bring them to the maintenance bay located just below this balcony. With our shapers, they can go forward and step forward.
Parang mas gusto ko umupo. Mas gusto ko umupo dyan.
The Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor weighs just 200.
Boring. Yan lang.
So while crane can lift the statue on the ground,
Never flow. Half to the upper basin and half to the lower basin. The Colorado River Compact paved the way for the construction of Hoover Dam. In 1931, a contract to build a dam with all
John, can you just confirm that elevation level is not going to change anything? First time on the America.
Siya lang ganda.
Oo nga, ang kapal na kuya. Kuya.
Grabe yung semento to, lo. Sobrang laki yung lagayan, no? Wala pa yan. Baka maliit pa yan, eh.
I love my that's mine. I love my go to the other one.
There's one for Showbell.
This is pretty cool. It's a magazine. Reshaping the river. Ano to? What are these?
No. Not anymore, Kuya. Not anymore.
Pero ilang million pounds ng concrete.
Grabe, sobrang daming concrete niyan.
Di ba sabi parang 25 million pounds?
Sobrang kapal niyan, hindi talaga matutulak ng tubig yan.
feet big. Yung sinasabi kanina. Kasi kapal ng room na yun.
Isipin mo, sobrang taas. Sobrang kapal, sobrang taas.
Did you
Grabe.
look here? Inside?
Sobrang yaman siguro ng supplier ng semento na yan.
Daddy, can you carry me?
Ito, sobrang daming semento sinupply niya.
Dad, I can't reach it. Can you carry me? Can I climb on it? Wow.
Said go and you're gonna do it.
Ooh, that's how the water flows.
Yeah.
No, I can go. Oh, I can go.
Ay, nandito tayo kanina, kuya. Ayan yung power plant.
Baby.
Yung mga...
Ay, yung mga ano, bilog-bilog. Oo nga.
Nandiyan tayo kanina sa baba.
Nandun tayo.
Oh my gosh. You're not
Nandito
the baby.
tayo, yung dito sa malapit lang.
No. No,
He
you're
said
only
that.
one. Only one.
Tignan mo yung water and power. Saan nagpupunta?
Dami.
Ibig sabihin yung dam na nasa likod natin kanina, sobrang kapal nun. Ayun yun, no? Nandun tayo.
Yan nga yung 600
Sobrang kapal. Kaya nga eh. Hilahin nyo. Kaya ba? Kaya ba mahila?
Okay. Look at the camera.
You can do it.
Okay, what? I can Clara. 1, 2, 3. Tingnan mo ito tol. Ito yung video mo.
Ganun.
Yung bolt na ginamit nila.
Teka. Ganyan kalaki?
105
Ayan ba yun?
105 pounds yung wrench. And then yung bolt is about...
Ah, so real life ano to? Ganyan kalaki.
So, 181 pounds.
Paano may higpitan yun? Paano may higpitan yun? Pag inopen mo.
Paano lang ginawa yan?
Paano yan, di ba?
Saka ilang ganyan yung kinailangan nila.
Grabe, no? Siguro main purpose talaga nito yung ano, yung power na makikreate.
Million homes to.
Kami na, kunin ko na. Oh, sorry.
Pumalot ata siya.
Nagpagano.
And look at the No, it's gonna take a long time.
Boss ng workers eh. Okay, we're done here. It is fitting that the flag of our country should fly here in honor. Oh, yeah, some people died here. So, that's it. Was a good visit at
Lalabas kayo dyan.
Hoover Dam.
Saan ka nanggaling?
Ayaw na namin sumilip doon eh. Pero sumilip kami kanina.
Pero ang ganda, di ba?
Ayaw na pero sumilip. Nadaanan lang namin. Before we end, usually the water here is high. But right now, it's pretty low. Like you can see from the rocks. See that? How's water? Not much. Okay. Bye guys. What a view. We're on our way now to the parking. Hoover, Allison. And then
Go tell him because I did something bad, right?
Oh, coyote.
That's where I don't like coyote.
Yeah.
yeah. Who bought it for you? Remember? Oh, Zia.